Hello everyone. So in this video we'll see how you can use CodeSkool to make various greeting card type of projects. So here I've made a greeting card for Navratri Garba. Let's just play and see. So the first thing I've done is like just search Google to find some animated GIF. So this is the GIF that I will be using. And because like this GIF is in WebP format, so I use this gif.com/maker to like upload that image and convert it into a GIF. So that GIF I will be using as a sprite code school. The other thing is like I downloaded some songs as a background music, and then you can search Google for more images. So I'm using this image for the message. And always remember to not use your real email address, just use some fake email ID and dummy account to download those resources. So like you can go and upload that downloaded sprite. So here is that navratri.gif that I downloaded. It will take some time to import. Now that image has been imported, so you go into costumes. Here in the fill setting, first use this dropper icon to like select that color. So once that color is selected, just use this rectangle to draw and hide this thing. You have to do this for all the images. So like I do it for all the images. Once you have done for all these images, you have to again go into that images and use this cut fill to like fill the remaining space. So I'll just remove this. So then like I have set the position as 0 0. As you can see, like I have modified all the images. So this is done. Then I have uploaded another image for this code school. So it is white image that I simply use it from here itself. Then I added just a another um, sprite for the message, and I had actually hidden it. The same thing like I have like uploaded that Navratri image. So just go and like upload that sprite. So its size I have given like 50, and like I had moved the position to the top, and I'll hide it again. So here like I've written the code, like whenever I click this green flag, it will go to the first costume, and like every 100 millisecond it will like switch to the next costume, and it will keep on doing. And then again like whenever the green flag is clicked, it will play that background music and wait for it to finish, and once it finish it will again start playing the same thing. For this there is no code, simply code school banner there. For this like I'm using this animated text. So like when I click this, first thing it will show the sprite, then it will type the message, then it will zoom it, then it would broadcast happy message, and then in the forever loop like it will create the rainbow effect. So like once the rainbow effect is finished, it will go and again start that rainbow effect. So it's finished now. Again, it will go and start the rainbow effect. This is the type effect. This is the zoom effect. So this is the code for our message. I'll just hide it. And this is the code for that Navratri, Happy Navratri message will be displayed. First thing, like, we'll show it, then we'll set the size to the minimum. We'll create a variable effect. So we'll set it value to 100, and while the effect value is greater than 50, I'll keep on like reducing it from 100 till it goes to 50. So this while loop will keep on running until the effect actually goes to 50. So until like that effect value is greater than 50, this loop will continue. So in this loop, I'm setting the ghost effect. So ghost effect, basically what it does is, so when I set the ghost effect to 100, it would become hidden. When it when I set it to like 70, it would have like some opaque kind of visibility. And when I move it to like 30, it would be like more darker. And when I go to like 0, it would be like completely dark. So it's kind of like alpha channel for images. So that's what that ghost effect is. So I'm like reducing from 100. So like when the ghost effect is 100, it is completely invisible. So I'm reducing from 100, and like that effect I'm multiplying it by 2, because like effect is going only till 50. So 50 into 200, so 100 minus 100 would become 0, and it would become like completely visible. Then I'm reducing the effect by 1, and then I'm setting the size of like the effect. So size, I'm only running it till 50. If I go till 100, it would become bigger. I want it to be only till 50. So it will keep on like increasing. So effect will go like currently it's 100, so 100 minus 100 would become 0. So then it is becoming 100 minus 199. So 100 minus 99 become 1. So it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the size will keep on increasing. So it will give you a zoom kind of effect till it reaches 50. Hide this. So this is our greeting card project. When I run it, you'll see that typing effect and zoom effect, then that rainbow effect, and this will flash. This will keep on continuing, that Garba dance and the background music and the rainbow effect will keep on running forever. So I hope you like this project. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.